Reason why I'm on this stage, probably the reason a lot of you know who I am. About 6 years ago, I was strung out on meth and heroin in Nashville, Tennessee, and I completely destroyed everything good in my life, everything I built, my marriage, my family, my career, and my good friend Tony Simpkins gave me a call and he said, "Hey, you want to come shoot a video in the studio today?" I said, "Okay." So I did the last of my dope, and I guess the rest is history. I've been off the needle for about 5 years. I rebuilt my life and somehow got this one back, so I guess I'm doing something right. I'm living low down and I'm using again. I'm hating my name cause I'm cursed like mine. And if I should see you before I'm condemned, I hope you're deceived by the webs that I spin. And I wish I was who I appear, because I despise the man in the mirror. Lost deep inside of my dirty old soul, some starry-eyed boy never taught self-control. And the cost of my living was more than I planned, so I held a needle like a gun in my hand. And I wish I was who I appear, because I despise the man in the mirror. The memories I've got torture my head, and I don't know God, but I heard He was dead. And if I am wrong, in judgment I stand. I will not repent, cause I don't give a damn. You can send me to hell with the rest of my friends. And I wish I was who I appear, because I despise the man in the mirror. I'm living low down and I'm